Today I'm walking through the other two Maggie Holmes journals that I made. The other two are on the previous video. If you want to check those out, I'll have them linked in a card above and in the description. These are also on my Etsy shop if you are interested. With the journal, you'll also get a fun little pack of goodies. They're all a little bit different. These are things that I made to go with the journal, and then they didn't end up in the journal, but I thought they were still fun to kind of send out with the journal. So there's some pinwheels and some embellishments and die cuts and a paper clip. So each one has kind of a variety. They all have the paper clip and they all have the pinwheels, but the actual embellishments are a little bit different. So that will come with each of the journals. All right, and if you're interested in one or the other, I will have a timestamp in the description showing where the second journal is. And let's start with the blue one. And so then I'll have a timestamp down below for the yellow one. All right, so I embellished the front. I love how this turned out. Wasn't sure I was gonna do that, but I love it. And then I added the buttons. And then there's also dangles down below with beads and buttons. And it has a lace closure. And then on the inside, it has Maggie Holmes paper. And there is a tag. And there's a couple tags within the tag. And then in the back, whoops, my dangle is stuck. In the back, there's also a couple more tags. All right, let's go back to the front. So you have the beautiful Maggie Holmes paper with some pom-pom trim. Got a little smushed. And then we have a tuck spot with some tags and the gesso. This is wallpaper. Here I added a little frame, and the top is open so you can actually tuck a picture in there. And then here's a little envelope with some goodies inside. Here's a vellum pocket with some other fun embellishments and tags. A little shaker. Butterfly and Edith Holden page with some lace. Another Maggie Holmes page. Added some lace to this one. Tuck spot and one of the tags that I made. Some embellishing. One of the fairy pages, and here is a paperclip dangle. And then on this one, there, if I can get them, there we go. We have buttons and a bead dangling down the bottom. Some fun music sheet page. There's a tuck spot with some journaling cards. I love this little mini pom-pom, so fun. And then we have a flip out. And then this one I turned into a tuck spot. And here's another embellishment. Here's the other side of the pocket with some fun embellishments in there. Another embellishment, and this is the wallpaper page. This is an actual Maggie Holmes embellishment from one of her packets? I don't know. Some more pages. And this one with the gesso. Another paper clip. And this is a scrap pack. Some pink ribbon, some lace, little window, pocket or peek-through window. Some more wallpaper with some cut-aparts. I love this yellow ribbon on this page. I thought that was fun. I left this blank. This would be a really fun page to decorate. I love the blue, and then it has some buttons. Another tag that I made. Edith Holden, a little cluster. Another embellishment there. A little flip out. More stenciling. Here is a little dangle with some flowers. And here we have one of those little mini envelopes. And in here, little embellishment tucked in there. Oh, come on. I don't have any fingernails right now, so it's hard. There we go. And there we go. So that is the blue bird journal. Okay, so let's do the yellow journal. Again, did some decorating on the front and the buttons. There's the back. And this one I added the book corners to. This one also has dangles and lots of pom-pom trim and lace. Isn't that pretty? Love it. This one also has a pocket in the front with tags. Peekaboo window. Coffee stained paper. Lots of lace and ribbon throughout the journals and the stenciling. This one has a paper clip on the top. And it has the flip out and a little decorated embellishment that can be used for journaling. In the pocket, we have some more journaling cards. More vintage pages, fairy pages, another peekaboo window. Here's the center of the signature. This one has a button and bead. This one has a flower dangle, one of the die cuts. All fun different sizes of papers. Another flip out. Here's tuck spot, tags and journaling cards, stenciling. Here's another one of the flip outs. Coffee dyed paper.